Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front all-terrain. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.